Bulk upload to Opensea. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can bulk upload hundreds and thousands of NFT on Opensea. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, creating an NFT and uploading it on Opensea is very simple, just a few steps and you're good to go. But if you're uploading, let's say 100,000 or 10,000, maybe even 100, then it's gonna be very time consuming. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a method with which you can do that pretty easily, and it works 100%. I've tried it in the past, it works 1%, but I just have to say that it does require your computer to be a little bit memory free. So currently, let's check it out if it works. I mean, I have tried it in the past, it worked for me. Let's go ahead and do it another way. So let's go ahead and do it again. So over here I have my NFTs, right? So pretty simple. So I'm going to be uploading these. I have 64 of them. So let's go ahead and do that. So here, so as you can see, this is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. This is the program right here. As you can see, this looks like. Now, what we need to do is we need to open up Chrome and create a collection and then put the link over here. Then we're going to put the start and end number of our NFTs. It can be 1 to 49, 50, 1 to 10,000. It can be anything. For me, since it's 64, so I'm going to input 64. Then the price, the title, and the description, image format, and external link. So let's get into it. So we're going to click on Open Chrome browser. Here we go. This is the Chrome browser. Now we're going to go over to Opensea, and over here, what we're going to do is we're going to log in with our MetaMask wallet. Over here, we're going to click on MetaMask. It's going to open it up right here. If you don't have a MetaMask installed, it's going to prompt you to install the MetaMask. And once it's done, just simply log in and we are good to go. There we go. We're logged in. Now what we need to do is we're going to go into our collections over here and we're going to create a collection, right? Click on create collections and just simply upload the file over here for the logo image. Then we're going to upload the featured image, and then we're going to upload the banner image as well. And then we're going to give this collection a name. So I'm going to say CryptoPunks over here. I'm going to give this name. This is not CryptoPunks. And then what we're going to do is we're going to copy this and we're going to paste it over here, but without the spaces. There we go. This is not CryptoPunks. And we're going to, small caps these as well. There we go. CryptoPunks. And it should be good to go. All right, this URL is valid. And then over here, you just input your description. So I'm just simply gonna put this is not CryptoPunks. There we go. And then you add in your links to your website, your Discord server, your Instagram page, or whatever. And then you choose the blockchain. So I'm gonna choose Ethereum, and I have the token right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to choose how it's going to look like. So I'm going to choose padded and click on create. Give it a few seconds. And once the collection has been created, we are good to go. So as you can see, collection is added. Now what we'll do is we'll copy this link of this collection. We're going to open up the program right here. We're going to paste that link over here. And then we're going to input the start and end number of our NFTs. So over here, these are it. We're going to input 1 to 64 over here. We're going to input the price. So currently the minimum price is 0.05, I believe, or we can just input 0.5. Then we have the title, and then I'm just simply gonna put the title in. This is not CryptoPunks. And then I want the description of it, and I'm going to put this as well. And then we have the image format. The image format is .png. And if you don't know, just simply click on properties and you will see .png, right? So now we just input .png over here. And then we put in the external link to our website. So over here, let me open up my website. But for now, I don't think I'll be needing that. So I'll just put in the link to my collection over here. And then we upload the folder where we have these NFTs. So click on this button and then choose the folder where the NFTs are. So we're going to select folder. There we go. It's selected. Now we just simply click on start and it should work right here. Let me see real quick. It should work, although I'm worried about my memory because my memory is really, really low. So I hope it works, but usually it does work, but this is pretty much it. That's what you're going to be doing. Nothing too crazy, nothing too, no mouse control, no, nothing like that. Previously, what people would do, and me personally, I have done it as well. I use another method, which was the macro method, in which I would just, copy the clicks and movements of my mouse. With that, I would upload it, which was pretty hard and really difficult to do so. So this method is very better and much easier as well. So okay, so this one says that it didn't work because I have, I think, low memory. Line 142. main program loop. Okay, so it didn't work, which was unfortunate, but it should work. I mean, technically, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Maybe if I just input 50 over here and I put hashtags at the end, it should work. Click on start. There we go. As you can see at the background, it's working there. So 100% pasting stuff. There we go. So as you can see, it works 100%. Nothing to worry about. So if you've watched the video so far, then you know now how this website works perfectly and how you can use it to make money online and how you can use it to start your own business online as well. Just make sure to do everything I did in the video in a step-by-step manner and you'll be good to go. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.